Hey you guys, it's me, Sharel. We're right back into Ezekiel. We're going to be reading from chapter 36, verses 23 through to be announced. Okay, here we go. And I will vindicate the holiness of my great name and separate it for its holy purpose from all that defiles it, my name, which has been profaned among the nations, which you have profaned among them, and the nations will know, understand, and realize that I am the Lord, the sovereign ruler, who calls forth loyalty and obedient service, when I shall be set apart by you, and my holiness vindicated in you before their eyes and yours. For I will take you from among the nations and gather you out of all countries and bring you into your own land. Then will I sprinkle clean water upon you, and you shall be clean from all your uncleanness. And from all your idols will I cleanse you. A new heart will I give you, and a new spirit will I put within you. And I will take away the stony heart out of your flesh, and give you a heart of flesh. And I will put my spirit within you, and cause you to walk my statutes. And you shall heed my ordinances and do them. And you shall dwell in the land that I gave to your fathers, and you shall be my people, and I will be your God. I will also save you from all your uncleannesses, and I will call forth the grain and make it abundant, and lay no famine on you. And I will multiply the fruit of the tree and the increase of the field, that you may no more suffer the reproach and disgrace of famine among the nations. Then you shall earnestly remember your own evil ways and your doings that were not good, and shall loathe yourselves in your own sight for your iniquities and for your abominable deeds. Not for your sake do I do this, says the Lord God. Let that be known to you. Be ashamed and confounded for your own wicked ways, O house of Israel. Thus says the Lord God, in the day that I cleanse you from all your iniquities, I will also cause Israel's cities to be inhabited, and the waste places shall be rebuilt, and the desolate land shall be titled that which is lain desolate in the sight of all who pass by. And they shall say, this land that was desolate has become like the Garden of Eden, and the waste and desolate and ruined cities are fortified and inhabited. Then the nations that are left round about you shall know that I, the Lord, have rebuilt the ruined places and replanted that which was desolate. I, the Lord, have spoken it, and I will do it. Thus says the Lord God, for this also I will let the house of Israel inquire of me, to do it for them. I will increase their men like a flock, like the flock of holy things for sacrifice, like the flock of Jerusalem in her solemn appointed feasts. So shall the waste cities be filled with flocks of men, and they shall know, understand, and realize that I am the Lord, the sovereign ruler, who calls forth loyalty and obedient service. Ezekiel chapter 36, verses 23 through 38.